Hey folks, John Leppler here, personal injury lawyer right here in Pikesville, Maryland. And I represent my clients in their auto accident injury claims all over the state of Maryland. My motorcycle accident clients always ask me if they have adequate insurance coverage in order to cover for their suffered injuries, medical bills, pain and suffering, and lost wages. I always tell prospective motorcycle accident clients and my current motorcycle accident clients that they need to purchase adequate uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage through their own insurance company, and also get the maximum personal injury protection coverage possible for their motorcycle. If somebody is involved in a motorcycle accident, usually their injuries are very, very severe. Unlike if somebody's driving in a car or in a truck, a motorcyclist is not protected. They're sitting on top of the motorcycle. If they get into an accident, they're usually thrown from the motorcycle onto the street. They could suffer severe head injury. They could very easily break bones that require one or multiple surgeries. They could be out of work for about a year from this. It is critical that you and your family purchase with your own insurance company the maximum amount of uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Now, what is this? Maryland drivers are only required to purchase up to $30,000 of liability insurance coverage. So let's say, for instance, you get into a motorcycle accident. Let's say the other driver's at fault. The other driver only has $30,000 of insurance coverage to compensate you for your suffered injuries. Now, let's also say that your medical bills are through the roof. Your medical bills are over $100,000. You suffered broken bones. You needed multiple surgeries. You missed up to a year of work, which may be, $50,000 to $60,000 worth of lost wages. Now, with all of that, do you think $30,000 will appropriately compensate you for your suffered injuries? And what I mean by that is the other driver's insurance company paying you $30,000 for your suffered injuries. The answer is an emphatic no. What can you do, however, to ensure that you're adequately compensated? Well, you could purchase uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage through your own insurance company. And if you have a motorcycle at your house, you want to make sure you purchase the maximum amount. I'm talking up to $500,000 to $1 million. What happens if you actually purchase this? Well, going back to the scenario we just discussed, after the other driver offers the full $30,000 policy limits to pay you, you will be able to attempt to collect extra coverage through your own insurance company. You'll be able to try to collect the extra insurance coverage up to the amount of uninsured motorist coverage that you purchased. So, going back to the scenario one more time, instead of just settling your claim for $30,000, you may be able to settle your claim for anywhere between, say, maybe $500,000 to $1 million. That could be what your case is worth. If you had $100,000 worth of medical bills, you needed multiple surgeries for your broken bones, you lost up to a year of work. There's extensive pain and suffering there. You want to make sure that you and your family are fully protected. If a situation arises, God forbid, that you or one of your family members are in a serious motorcycle accident and no fault of your own. If you're unsure how to deal with your own insurance company to purchase uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage, or you or a loved one know somebody who suffered severe injuries from a motorcycle accident and no fault of their own they were involved in, I invite you to call me at no cost to you. I handle this every day. Feel free to call me at 443-955-1989. And I'd love to talk to you about your situation. Thank you.